In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Facebook events or birthdays into your Google Calendar. This process ensures that you never miss a special occasion or important event again by having everything centralized in one place. So let's dive right in and make your digital calendar even more useful and organized. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once there, you'll want to log in using your credentials. Take a moment to ensure that everything is correct and that you're logging into the right account. This will give you access to all your personal events and upcoming birthdays that are tied to your Facebook profile. Once logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage. From this menu, locate the option that says Events. Clicking on this will open up a dedicated section where you can see all your upcoming events and birthdays. It's a handy feature for keeping track of what's happening in your social network. As you scroll down, you'll come across sections labeled Upcoming Events and Birthdays. Here's where you want to focus your attention. You should be looking for an option that says something along the lines of Export Events or Export Birthdays. If you find it immediately, great. Go ahead and click on it to generate a link. The link you need will end in .ics, which is a standard file format for calendar data. If this option isn't immediately visible, don't worry. Sometimes Facebook hides it behind a gear icon labeled Settings. Within the Events section, click on the gear and you're likely to find the ICS link there for you to copy. With your .ics link copied, your next step is to head over to calendar.google.com. This is where we're going to import all that useful event and birthday data into Google Calendar. On the left side of the Google Calendar interface, you'll notice a plus icon next to Other Calendars. Click on that and you should see an option that says From URL. Go ahead and select it. Now in the field provided, paste the ICS link you copied from Facebook. Double check to make sure the link is correct before proceeding. Once everything looks good, click the Add Calendar button, and there you have it. Your Facebook events or birthdays are now successfully imported into Google Calendar, and that's the process complete. With your events and birthdays integrated into Google Calendar, you can easily keep track of them alongside your other appointments and schedules. It's a straightforward way to ensure that you never miss out on celebrations or important occasions from your Facebook community. Thanks for following along and enjoy your newly organized calendar experience.